Hello everybody, this is Anti-Natalist, and the reason why nobody should have any children is because life changes instantly. And for anybody who has ever found out a bad diagnosis, like, cancer, it happens suddenly. For anybody who had a car wreck unexpectedly, or their family member was involved in a fatality, it happens suddenly. So life could go from, a level 10 happiness to plummeting to a 0 in an instant. And that's how things work, very quickly. You see the racing, the ambulance, or the police, they turn the lights on. All of those injuries and accidents happened quickly and suddenly. So your life too can change instantly.